안녕하세요. 오빠입니다. Hello everyone, this is 오빠. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Coin 노래방 in Korea. Coin 노래방 is like Coin Karaoke in English. Here we have the kiosk at the Coin 노래방. First, you need to choose a room. I've chosen room number 13. Then the kiosk gives you two options. The first option is to pay based on the number of songs you want to sing. The second option is to pay for the amount of time you want to stay. I've chosen the first option, paying based on the number of songs I want to sing. Next, it asks if you are a member of the Coin 노래방. If you are a member of the Coin 노래방, you can get some benefits. I'm not a member, so I chose 비회원, which means non-member. Just so you know, 회원 means member, and the gray button, 취소, means cancel. After that, it asks you to choose the number of songs you want to sing. The smallest option is 3 songs for 1,000 won. I will go with that option. Then you need to select a payment method. The first option is 현금 결제, which means pay by cash. The second option is 카드 결제, which means pay by card. Just so you know, the third option is 닫기, which means close. I chose the second option, paying by card. Now it asks you to insert your card. Insert your card and you are ready to go. Now you can head to your room and start singing. The room looks like this. The size may vary depending on which room you choose, but generally, the setup is like this: microphones, a monitor, a remote controller, and chairs. Here is the remote controller. You can use it to select the songs you want to sing. You can search for songs by the name of the singer or the song title. I will search by the song title first. Press 제목, which means title. I will search for BTS 봄날, which means spring day. Once you've selected the song, press 예약, which means reserve. You can also switch to an English keyboard. To do that, press the 한/영 button, which stands for 한국어/영어. As most of you might know, 한국어 means Korean and 영어 means English. You can toggle between English and Korean by pressing the button. Now, I will search for Blackpink's Forever Young. This time, I will search by the name of the singer. Press 가수, which means singer. I will search for BTS.
영문 입력 상태입니다.
It will show a list of songs by BTS. You can select any song from the list. I will choose 작은 것들을 위한 시, which is Boy with Love in English. After selecting all the songs you want to sing, press 시작 on the remote controller. 시작 means start. Now enjoy your singing. The first song is 작은 것들을 위한 시, Boy with Love. The next song is 봄날, Spring Day. And after each song, it gives you a score. I got 0 this time. The last song is Forever Young. Today, I showed you how to use a coin 노래방 in Korea. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you again with a new video. 다음 시간에 만나요. See you next time.